What do you do at Persistent?
I am a project lead.
मजा आली रे. This weather in Goa is very. Speaking from Goa. How do you rate this place? Aruta, Persistent team from Pune has come down to Goa to meet us and have lunch with us.
I know, so exciting, right?
Which one should I wear? This one or this one?
Let me think. Show me that. Oh, I think you go for
This
this
one?
one, yeah.
Okay. अभी change करता हूँ.
Yes.
Let's go. Come on. Hi guys, what's up? So we are heading to Sea Pebbles.
Team party.
It's a team party, project party. We work for Persistent Systems and the senior management is out here. So we'll be meeting, catching up with them and we'll be visiting Sea Pebbles. So हमारा दोनों काम हो जाएगा, vlog as well as meeting them. So एक बाण से
एक तीर से दो निशान.
दो निशान. See you there. Bye. The weather in Goa is very unpredictable these days. अभी थोड़ी देर पहले it was bright and sunny and now it is raining like crazy.
Check out the view. I don't know if you can see it though.
And the best part is we could get our car inside.
Yeah, that is amazing. I thought we had to take a shuttle and all. That is what they had done in between. Look at the view here. Just hold on.
Wow.
Beautiful Goa.
Lovely.
I think we are here.
Pebbles.
As you know, Dona Paula is a renowned destination and one of the top tourist attractions in Goa. We finally arrived at the restaurant, perched above the sea. To reach it, we climbed a small incline and then descended a flight of steps that led us down to the dining area. For the ultimate Goan experience, complete with sea breeze, sun, sand, and delicious food, you've come to the perfect spot.
We were truly delighted to meet all our team members from Pune as well as Goa, and especially Amay Upalekar, who heads one of the DU, and he travelled all the way from Pune just to meet the Goa team.
Our team had a diverse mix of vegetarian and non-vegetarian eaters, so we placed an order that catered to everyone's preferences. The selection included a wide variety of seafood, chicken, and vegetarian dishes, all complemented by some fantastic mocktails. Also have hookah here, no? Mango, all full flavors. The vibrant flames of the wok and the inviting open kitchen drew us in, compelling us to capture a close-up of the cooking process.
Fantastic. This is too good.
Our food was served at the table, and the entire team savored this moment together, escaping the routine of calls, meetings, and spreadsheets.
Here you have our chicken kafrial accompanied by fragrant vegetable biryani, but the real showstopper was the tender coconut chili, a must try at Sea Pebbles.
We received some great feedback from our friends as well. Let's see what they have to say.
You are working from Goa. How do you feel? How do you feel working from Goa?
It's nice. We work from here like long term, not like when on vacation.
Would you prefer working from here, from Goa?
I will consider. Not from the beach, but from the office.
From the
In
office.
river.
How's the food?
Very nice. The place is very good, the ambience is very good, and the food is awesome.
So, How do you rate this place? Yeah, food. 4 out of 5, 5 out of 5. Place, ambience. This is my friend Ajit Chetty Parambil from Persistent. And Ajit, तू किती करता रे Persistent? What do you do at Persistent?
I am a project lead.
Project
and
lead.
I work on OutSystem technologies.
OutSystem Technologies, one of the best and low code platforms that we have, and we'll talk about it more if you guys are interested. I am interested in food blogging. We also ordered our favorite prawn curry along with some steamed rice and rava fried prawns.
Authentic Goan fish curry, prawn curry. Authentic Goan prawn curry rice. Cut that part
Okay.
with prawn rava fry. The curry was incredibly flavorful, rich and thick, featuring fresh prawns and just the right amount of spice. It paired perfectly with the steamed rice, prawns, and squid in Reshad masala. As Goans, we feel incredibly fortunate to have been born and raised in this beautiful region. We take great pride when our teammates from other places ask about Goa and seek recommendations for the must-visit spots. It's a testament to our vibrant culture and stunning landscapes, and we love sharing the unique experiences that make our home special. And let's not forget to keep Goa clean and beautiful, making it a place where everyone can unwind and be their true selves. Together, we can preserve its charm and ensure it remains a welcoming heaven for all. Hello, everybody.
Hi everyone.
After a long gap, I think we are back after Ganesh Chaturthi.
You must have seen our Ganesh vlog. We had a great time there, and after that, this is our first vlog with a sea view and amazing food and
Company. Yeah, we should
Situation
come
for
here
us.
more often though, just to have
Yeah.
a nice quiet day.
place is amazing, and you have to come here and experience it. जितना भी हम आपको vlog से बोलेंगे, you will not get that feel until you come here and experience it yourself.
This is one of the must-visit places.
Must visit
for
places
y'all.
when you are in Goa. So you will be visiting Donapal anyways. You will be going to the Donapal jetty.
Yeah.
So I think this is like on the way towards Donapal jetty.
Right.
You can just come here and relax, chill, enjoy. The food is amazing and
The view is awesome.
view is awesome, breathtaking view. We just love it, and we highly recommend this place.
Cheers.
So guys, Sea Pebbles have their own shuttle service, and you can park your car somewhere near the Donapal circle. There is a lot of parking arrangement done out there, so you can take their shuttle. It's always there, and it keeps coming up and down. And आप वो shuttle लेके Sea Pebbles आ सकते हो. One of the best sea views in Goa and fantastic food. मजा है ले रहे. Bye bye. So how's the place, guys? Did you like the food?
Very amazing.
What's the experience?
Good company.
Working from Goa and at the same time,
Yeah, I've been working from Goa, studying from Goa, everything in Goa.
we are blessed.
We are blessed.
Kui to others.
Sea Pebbles and look at the amazing view out here.
An amazing place to have your food and chill at the same time. What do you think, Arup?
Yes, I love the place.
and we were here for a team outing, but
Yeah.
it was amazing. They've come from Pune and they have also loved the place. The ambience is amazing, the food is nice.
Goa is always the best, and we are lucky to be here, and we are working here, and everybody is jealous. किती करूया आणि
We are blessed.
we are blessed.
Touch wood.
Touch wood. God bless everyone.